GBPUSD this week has made a significant move, and from the past week analysis we can see that the price has done similar what was expected. The week has started here with this bearish candle after the previous week has closed the week above the critical levels here, and we can see that after the price has reached this supply zone, the price returned back down on a Monday and slightly down on a Tuesday. After that the price has bounced and it has created on a Wednesday pretty large candle that has overtook these previous 2 days, and the price closed at the same price as on the Friday last week. After that the price has continued to move up. It had problems on a Thursday to reach higher levels because of this supply zone, but on a Friday, even though there are no traders that have closed this trade on a Friday getting out before the weekend, we can see that the bulls have managed to push the price even higher. So this is the new highest price level for a long time. We can see it here in the past. Since December the price did not reach this price level, so this is very important signal for the price, where I have mentioned in the previous analysis that the price first needs to break out 1.25 price level, which has happened this week, and then the next level will be 1.26 price level, which is a very critical. Let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. We can see that on a weekly time frame this is very critical level, and the price has reached higher level, and this week has ended as a bullish candle. We can see that the lowest price this week was this one area here, where we have mentioned in the previous week analysis that the price could reach moving down and then bouncing and retracing back up. So this has happened, and the price has reached 1.26 price level, where we can see this is a very critical level on the weekly time frame. We have also this one monthly, a trend line, which is presenting now a confluence of resistance between these two price levels. We can see that this horizontal resistance level and this is a downtrend, a trend line resistance level. So this is a confluence of resistance for the price, and it will be hard to reach higher levels for the following weeks. Let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks. Because it is the first week in this month, it is similar as the weekly time frame, so there is nothing special. The critical levels have been reached, 1.25 price level and also 1.26 price level. If you check the previous week analysis, it is very important that the price reach 1.26 price level and stay above. This will mean that this month should stay above this price level to be confirmed as the bullish trend. So if we take a look these three time frames as a multi-time frame analysis, we can see that this month has started very good, and the critical levels for this month should be this one, 1.233 price level. So the price, if the price goes down, this should hold where the demand zone is, and also where the bulls are preventing the price to reach lower levels. On the upside, the critical levels for the price was 1.26 price level, and the next one will be this one here, 1.276, because we can see that in the past this price had problems reaching lower levels and also higher levels. You can see it here. So if we go to the weekly time frame, this is very important on a weekly time frame, where we can see this confluence of resistance. It's very important that the price stays above this point, 1.256 price level, because we can see that this is the first support level on a weekly time frame that needs to hold the price to prevent reaching lower level, and that is 1.243 price level. We can expect that the price will bounce from this area, from this resistance, so for the next week I'm expecting that the price will return back down. The first level where the price could return is 1.2563 price level, where we can see that in the previous week this price level was resistance for the price, and this week has acted as a support. The next level where the price could bounce is 1.243 price level, where we can see this confluence between the support and resistance levels. So if we go to the daily time frame, which is much more clearer, we can see this picture here. So the critical levels for the price is here, 1.256 area, 1.2563 price level. It is the first support for the price, but we can expect, because of this confluence of resistance, and we can see this small uptrend trend line which is now acting here as a resistance, also making this area as a strong confluence of resistance which will push the price lower, because the sellers are pretty strong here, and also the bulls who have pushed the price from here to this price level will get out from their trades. It is a large area of supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and also where the bulls will exit from their trades. The first strong level for the bulls where they are holding is the area around this one here, around 1.245 price level, where the lower side is here, 1.238. So we can see that the price level 1.24 is the critical level on the daily time frame for the bulls that will hold the price. So I'm expecting that the price will bounce from this area here down, reaching probably the area 1.25 because of this strong confluence and also the supply zone. If the price stays above 1.25 price level, it will mean that the bulls are pretty strong, and this small retrace is all from the sellers that we will see. But the price needs to break above 1.27 price level, which is the first critical level for the price, and we can see, and we have seen also on a monthly time frame, if the price goes above, we need to see the monthly time frame the price stays above 1.26 price level, also 1.26, to confirm that this weekly, currently it is a resistance level, will hold in the future, and the price will continue to move up. But if the price goes below that, and on a weekly time frame stays below that, and also on a monthly time frame stays below that, it will mean that the price will have hard time to reach high levels, and it will probably stay between these two price levels, where it will bounce until the price finds enough strength to push the price on higher levels, or it will return back down, where the sellers will make a switch from this small bullish uptrend. So for the next week, I'm expecting the price to retrace slightly down, and then we will see this area around 1.25 price level will hold and push the price again to make a breakout to the upside. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.